Single-use products are out, and these little green bottles are no exception. What do you even do with these when they're empty anyways, besides let them pile up in your garage and roll around in the back of your car? If you don't know how to properly dispose of something, you probably shouldn't keep buying more and more of it. But people do. Over 40 million of these things get thrown into landfills every year. Rumor has it, the national park spends around $10 to properly recycle each bottle. That's crazy, and not how we should be spending our federal funds. So, what's the solution? The Gas Growler Deluxe from Ignik. This is a 5-pound, 1.2-gallon propane tank that's packable and easy to take with you anywhere you need some reliable fuel. Not only does it contain 5 times the amount of fuel as one of those little green bottles, but it's totally refillable too. That's right, no trash. In fact, each refill costs the same as one of those single-use green bottles, but you get 5 times more propane. Refilling the gas growler is easy. You can do it at your local propane filling station, same place you fill up your barbecue tank. Trust me, if I can do it, so can you. Plus, it comes in an easy-to-carry case with a zip-up lid to store extra stuff, and the hose comes with the perfect fitting for all your common camp stoves. If 5 pounds of propane isn't enough, Ignik makes a variety of sizes for those longer trips, like the 10-pound tallboy version, which carries 10 times the amount of fuel of one of those little green bottles. Do yourself and the planet a favor with the Ignik gas growler, because green isn't good enough.